Hey guys, what is going on? Levi here, and today we're going to be doing a review of the JBL Flip 4 Bluetooth portable speaker. We're going to be doing an unboxing, a review, a sound quality test, and we're going to be going over the specifications, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so here we are, the JBL Flip 4. Now this was the one that came after the Flip 3, of course. The JBL Flip 4 was released in January 2017, so we are looking at the most current and up-to-date Flip model. One thing that I will say is what helped me in my decision to look for this speaker, because I was looking for something that was, I like the tower shape, I like the 360 feature, the 360 tower, I do like that in a speaker. I was looking for that, I was looking for something affordable. And one of the things I will say was while I was doing online research for a speaker, the JBL Flip 4, this one right here, had 4.7 out of 5 stars. So that is a very good Google user review. I will just say that right off the bat. That's an impressive thing to do because people are very harsh on technology. So definitely this is a consumer favorite. So, and one thing that I will say though is I thought it would be bigger. From looking at the pictures online and looking at the pictures and the videos that I saw elsewhere before I purchased it, I thought it would be bigger. It is not as big as you may think it is. It's pretty small, but nonetheless still has good audio and things of that nature. So let's just get right into some of the specifications of the JBL Flip 4 and let's talk about some of its features. Now the first thing, very good thing, is it has a 12-hour battery life. I have not used it, I have not tested that yet, but 12 hours of playtime, if that is true, which I'm sure it certainly is, that's very good because, we hate to have a flimsy speaker that, is dying every hour and have to recharge. So that's a good thing. 12 hours of playtime. It's waterproof, so you can take it to the beach, you can take it to the pool party, you can take it to wherever you need to go to. It also says it is very durable, so if you drop it, you should have no problem with that. 360 to 360 degree music. Again, so it's a tower, so if you're sticking this in your room, if you're sticking this at the pool party, whatever, sound's going to come out from every which angle. So that's going to be a good thing. That's definitely a good feature. It also says if you can connect to the JBL Connect app, that you can do something called a party mode. I'll have to look into more what that is. So you're definitely looking at a very highly featured speaker, something that can do quite a lot for something that's, pretty affordable. $80, you can get this at Best Buy, Walmart. You should be able to get this anywhere. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the unboxing of the product. Now we have this I do like the box it comes in, very durable. It has these little magnetic pull tabs. I always like the magnetic pull tabs. That's a very good feature. The Beats have them. I know I have a pair of Beats and the Beats have them. I like that. That's a good feature. Something about that just gives a very durable feeling off. So I like that personally. That's just my personal opinion. So right here, you pull it open, and it has this nice little picture, of the little JBL, nice little picture right there. And then on right here, this is how you get to it. I know when I first opened it, I said, where is the, where's the speaker? But what you do is you basically just pull this out right here, and this little box right here, I don't know if you can see that, but this little box right here, that actually has your standard Android Connect USB cable. So, to charge it. So it does come with a charger, you're gonna have all that, but so when you pull this out, you have your speaker right here, fits perfectly, has a little bit, slides right in. Have your little foam background, so that's a good thing, that's a good feature. Definitely portable, you know what I mean? If you wanna keep it in the box, if you're looking for a good place to store this thing, you just, throw it right back in the box and it has a nice little protector. So that's good. So here we are with the speaker, and I'll just throw that right on the ground. Here is the speaker right here. Like I said, not as I thought it was bigger, but it is still powerful. Not very big, but powerful sound. And as you can see right now, I'll just kind of hold it in my hand to kind of give an example of the size. So here we go, right here. The JBL speaker has a nice little logo right there. Sturdy, is very firm. It doesn't feel like it's cheap. It feels firm. You look at the back right here, to turn it on, there is a power button right here. And you can probably hear this. You can hear that noise turned on. And right now you can see right there the battery life. It has the battery life. there's 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5 dots. 5 dots, of course. These little dots right here are going to tell you what your battery life is. And then you move to the side, and then we have your, and this is neat, you basically just, you can control it. So if you're holding it, you don't necessarily need to have your phone in your hand. You have your higher volume, minimize volume, and then you have your Bluetooth feature right there. That works wonderful. All you have to do is just touch that for 1 second, and then go to your device, whatever you're using, and you'll be able to connect very quickly. Like I said, no problems with the Bluetooth connectivity. Very powerful. Should connect instantly. Alright, so now that we have went over the specifications of the JBL Flip 4, we're going to do a sound test, and you guys at home are going to be able to hear, kind of get a sense of what it will sound like. Now, of course, the sound will only be as good as your speakers it's coming out of, but hopefully that will still give you an idea of what this thing can do.
I walk on water, but only when it freezes.
Why are expectations so high? Is it the bar I set, my arms I stretch, but I can't reach? A far cry from it, or it's in my grasp, but as soon as I grab, squeeze.
Middle East side got killers in the street, rob the heat.
Trunk full of beat bombs like the Middle East side got
Killers in the street.
Nigga got a problem, see about it. Knock a nigga off, beat the body. I'm just making all these deposits, neighborhood nice and quiet, thought I saw Mr. Rogers, nigga.
All your pockets on hurt, and nigga, you could be my servant. Go to the line, young nigga, don't listen, I purchase. After I cut up the thought, I give her some money for service. Wherever I go, the whole gang gon' go. Yeah, you cannot tame the hoe because she won't fight for sure.
Think you want no action? You want action, you get turned into passive. Your boy's deep, well, let's get to subtracting. Smith and Wesson made my night with some compassion.
I'm a roof gone, gotta find it. Saint up till they claim it.
Baby, once you let me do the extras, pull up on your block and break it down, we playing Tetris. AM to the BM, BM to the AM phone. Piss out your per diem, you just gotta hate them phone. If I quit your BM, I still rock Mercedes phone.
Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Peace to Ron G, Brucey B, Kid Capri, Funk Master Flex, Love Bug, Star Ski. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a crib, same number, same hood. It's all good.
I gotta ask, don't see no ring on that finger, and I ain't got one either. Hope I ain't moving too fast. But if you ever feel that way, don't you ever hesitate. 'Cause you got my number, you can call on me. If you in trouble, put the fall on me. When you're mad, you can take it out on me. When it don't add up, you can count on me. When you're low, come get high. Me, I'm gonna sit right here tonight and catch me around here, buds, 'cause you ain't around here tonight. Keep putting them down here, another round here, till my down goes up. I'm gonna be somebody. One of these days I'm gonna break these chains. I'm gonna be somebody someday.
Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you now? At Denny's.
Drop it in my face, drop.
Drop it in my face, drop. Bad man, we will kill all your swag.
To me, and you will feel perfection. Come on to me, and dedicate.
If I stay with you, girl, and if I had the choice, yeah, those wanna be there. Those were the best days of my life.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you liked that video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hope to do some more unboxing and some review videos very soon. Got some cool things coming up that I want to share. Alright guys, take it easy.